How to make salsa at home. Let's start making salsa. 2 garlic cloves. We'll be using a food processor for this recipe. 1/2 onion, cut into quarters. 1 to 2 pieces of jalapeno peppers, cut into half. Put lid. Start with a lower speed or pulse the processor for a rough chop. Add in 5 pieces of whole peeled canned tomatoes. We'll be adding more tomatoes later. Please don't forget to subscribe. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. A pinch of salt. A pinch of ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of brown sugar. Cilantro bunch. Blend everything together. One teaspoon of cumin. A pinch of garlic salt. Add in 4 more whole peeled tomatoes. Mix until desired texture is reached. Our salsa is ready. Transfer to a clean bowl. Enjoy. Thanks for watching.